Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign in to your Amazon account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.amazon.com and hit enter. After the home page of Amazon opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, this sign in option will appear. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in option, you'll be guided to another page. Now in this page, you'll have to fill in your email address or mobile phone number which is registered into your Amazon account here. So fill in your email address or mobile phone number here and then click on this continue button. Once you click on this continue button, you'll be guided to another page where you will have to fill in your password. Make sure that you filled in your password correctly and then click on this sign in option. As you can see on my screen, if you follow the given steps correctly and if you have filled the correct credentials, you'll be automatically signed in to your Amazon account. I hope this video helped you to sign into your Amazon account on your computer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.